In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. The first thing you need to do is access your Prizepicks account, and you also need to meet a certain requirement. To withdraw your funds or prizes on Prizepicks, you first need to have a card. If you're not aware, you can get a card directly from Cash App. Just go to their website and search for a Cash App card, and you should be given the option to get a Visa card from Cash App. Apply for the card, and it might take a few days or even a week to receive it, so be patient. Once you have the card, go to your Prizepicks account, click on the menu icon, and scroll down to click on the Request Withdrawal option. This will take you to the withdrawal page. You will need to complete a verification before you can withdraw your funds. After completing the verification, just follow the on-screen steps and provide your card details to receive your funds. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.